What is up, everyone? This is going to be a tutorial on how to add in custom music to a Brawl or Project M ISO. First off, I want to say I apologize for the shitty video and voice quality. I'm using a recording software to record this and a shitty Xbox 360 mic to record my voice. So, without further ado, let's get started. Before even thinking about adding custom music to your Project M ISO, I recommend, if you do plan on playing on Project M Netplay, do not do this. It's going to cause desync every time you try to get into a match or even play against your opponent. So what I recommend is when you do get into a match with your opponent, lower the in-game music and then load up any music up in the background, so you can have your custom music playing in the background while you're playing your match. So let's get started. You're going to need 3 files when trying to do this to your ISO. So you're going to need Audacity, Brawlbox, and a Wii Scrubber. So here are all the links, the pages. I'm going to leave a link to all these in the description, so you can just scroll down and click on all of these. Here's just for your respective software: Windows, Mac, Linux. Then here's this lame Audacity. It's a plugin which allows MP3 files to be loaded onto Audacity. And here you have your software. You can pick either Windows or Mac, whichever one you're running. Hit the first link for if you're Windows. Hit the zip file, unzip it, and do the rest. For Wii Scrubber, here's the download link right there. And for Brawlbox, just scroll down and click on this link right here, and it'll automatically download to your page. So let's get started. The MP3 file I'm going to be using is a song called Castlevania Rondo of Blood, Opus 13. So that's a bit too loud. Let's lower that. So that's that. Next, we want to find what stage song we want to replace. So for me, I'm going to replace Battlefield, the first theme, whatever it is, Battlefield's main theme, whatever. So we're gonna do a quick Google search. Super Smash Bros. Brawl music list should be the first link. Hit that. Here you have the stages for the respective series. Here we're going to look for Battlefield, so I'm pretty sure that's under Brawl. Look for Battlefield, and Battlefield is number X04, so that's the audio file we're going to have to replace in the Project M ISO, X04. Now let's turn this file right here into a BRSTM file. So first off, we're going to open up Audacity, hit File, Open, and let's look for our MP3 file. I have mine on my desktop, and here it is. And here you could adjust how long the song plays. You could repeat it. You can amplify it by clicking. Well, make sure you highlight the whole WAV file. Hit Effect, Amplify, and you could play around with that to your liking. When that's all done, hit File, Export Audio. Make sure your save type for the your save type for the file is set to WAV, WAV, a WAV file. So hit Save. So we're done with this. Next, we're gonna want to open up Brawlbox. It's gonna come in the zip file just like this. You could extract it, do whatever you want. I keep mine in the zip file. Double click, hit brawlbox.exe, run. Now let's hit File. Click on Highlight New, BRSTM audio stream, and here's our WAV file. Double click that. Here we could do a test. It might be too loud. Hold on. Let's lower that. Alright, so it seems to be playing fine. So hit OK. So when that's done encoding, you could do one more test play if you want. Next, you want to highlight the file, hit right click, export. Make sure you save type as BRSTM raw audio. And we said we wanted to set it to Battlefield, the Battlefield theme, so we're gonna name our file XO4. Then we can exit out of this. Now we're gonna go into the ISO itself. This is where WeScrubber comes into play. So we double click WeScrubber or unzip it to whatever you're liking. When you first use a WeScrubber, it's gonna the program is gonna ask you to make a key bin. So you double click key bin, hit run. Then right here where the 0 is, enter the value 42, then click generate, then hit exit. Since I already done that, I'm not gonna show it off. So once that's done, hit WeScrubber.exe, open that up, load your ISO, wherever your ISO directory is, look for it. Mine's right here, project M3.5 ISO. Double click, the ISO is gonna load up, and here are all the innards of the project M. Using this file, using this program, you could edit costumes for any character, add in stage backgrounds and stuff like that. But for this, to change the music, scroll down till you see sound, then click that, hit STRM. Now let's look for, here's the audio files for Project M, or RAW, whatever. Now let's look for XO4, which is Battlefield. So we click Battlefield, right click, hit replace. Let's look for our BRSTM audio file. I put mine in my download page. Here it is. So once the file gets replaced, hit OK. Exit out. And now let's test it out. Gonna open up Dolphin. Open our ISO. Using this recording software in the background, it's gonna make the gameplay look choppy, but you'll still be able to hear the audio, so it's all good. So let's make sure Battlefield is set to the highest, to more likely. There you go.
Training. Pikachu.
The first stage theme.
Ready? Go!
So I hope this helped out, and peace.